morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel The Nation Needs You. I am R.C Mishra, Communication and Confidence Coach, भुवनेश्वर उड़ीसा। आज का चैनल में द नेशन नीड्स यू चैनल में सबको स्वागत है। आज मैं एक बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा लेके आया हूँ। इट्स अ बिग टॉपिक. सो व्हाट इज दैट? द टॉपिक इज, लेट्स से, आई एम सॉरी. सो एवरीवन से व्हाट? आई एम सॉरी, which is now deprecated, outdated, obsoleted. Means it is what? Not in the present market. So the question raised, what to say instead of sorry? Because in communication skill, we have variety of phrases that we can use to speak better, to speak more confidently, and what? Attract people towards you by speaking this and that. Because everybody know the way we talk, so we need to change our way of talking now. So आज के लेसन में हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा 4 things to say instead of sorry. सॉरी के बदले हम और क्या क्या चीज़ कह सकते हैं. Very first point I have written here, that what is that? Find a way to replace I am sorry. What is that? You are going to find a place, what? Find a way to replace I am sorry. I am sorry के बदले आप क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? I have written few phrases. Let's see. क्या कह सकते हैं? Thank you for your patience. What you can say? Thank you for your patience. ये थोड़ा और डिलाइटेड लगता है और अच्छा लगता है. One more. Thanks for flagging it. What I said, very important phrase. Thanks for flagging it. लेट मी चेंज इट. अगर कुछ गलतियाँ हो गया है कोई चीज़ में तो बोले आई एम सॉरी सर, दिस दैट. डोंट शो दैट इमोशन. यू हैव नॉट मेड ए क्राइम एवरीवन. सो व्हाट यू कैन से? थैंक्स फॉर फ्लैगिंग इट, लेट मी चेंज इट. या दिस साउंड वेल. और यू कैन से थैंक्स फॉर ब्रिंगिंग इट टू माई नोटिस. व्हाट यू कैन से? थैंक्स फॉर ब्रिंगिंग इट टू माई नोटिस. Obviously, I will change next time. Means you don't feel much regret for a silly mistake. Some people are expressing in such a way like they have done a crime like a bomb blast or any kind of murder, robbery and kind of thing. Don't behave like that. And which is not necessary at least. Sorry. I said again sorry. No, now topic is what? For others way to say sorry. Okay. Number 2, what? I am sorry to bother you. Some people say this particular phrase. What is that? I am sorry to bother you. अच्छा, आपको डिस्टर्ब कर लिया, उसके लिए मैं सॉरी बोलता हूँ. Okay, this is also not going to work in real industry. आप क्या कह सकते हैं? I know you might be busy. What is that? I know you might be busy. However, I would love to take your opinion on something. Is it a good time now to discuss? Yes. Now you are telling the same thing but in a different way. That's we want to, that's we should learn. Because सब लोग तो I am sorry कहते हैं. आप क्या कह सकते हैं? I apologize, pardon me, like this. Or there are 1000 phrases are available. You just Google it. You will get many ways. तो बाकी सारे जो लोग कहते हैं आपको वो नहीं रिपीट करना है. You need to find another way to say sorry. Okay, now number 2 I said. Now move to number 3 point. Practice empathy and be compassionate. What is that? Practice empathy and compassionate. आपका क्या? अगर दुख भरा चीज़ है कोई चीज़, एम्पैथी, सिंपैथी और कंपनशियनेट, अपने जैसा एक चीज़ को बोलना. जैसे कि आप क्या कहते हैं नॉर्मली? आई एम सॉरी टू से दिस. किसी का देहांत हो गया तो आई एम सॉरी टू से दिस, आई फील सॉरी. नो 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 नो. फॉर ऑल सच थिंग यू कैन यूज वन फ्रेज that sound like it was really hard for you. What is that? That sound like it was really hard for you, because that's a hard situation when somebody lost someone. Or you can say you have dealt with this hard experience really well. You should be proud of yourself. Now you are giving what? that sympathy, empathy. Apart from that, you are also give him or her the confidence to survive further, right? That is one way I'm going to teach you. And the last one I must tell, take a practical and rational perspective. आपका जो सॉरी बोलेंगे वो रेशनल होना चाहिए. इट मीन्स व्हाट, लॉजिकल होना चाहिए. उस तरह का प्रोस्पेक्टिव आपका होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हमने यहाँ पे आप लोगों के लिए एक एग्जाम्पल भी लिख लिया है. लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज द एग्जाम्पल. ओके, नाउ हियर द एग्जाम्पल इज व्हाट, आई एम सॉरी, आई डोंट एग्री. व्हाट यू सेड, आई एम सॉरी, आई डोंट एग्री. Instead of this agree and disagree, you can say, let's look at this thing from another angle. What I said, let's look at it this from another angle. So what we learn, 4 अलग तरीके जो कि सॉरी के जगह पे हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस प्रिंसिपल अप्लाइड ऑन एवरीथिंग. आप कहीं पे भी बात करते हैं, किसी से भी बात करते हैं, try to use something else which the people are not used to use. Why? Because all are talking the same way. So what differences you have from others, that we need to learn. Most of the time in my channel I shouted, let's say I speak and I suggest and I recommended people to follow native speaker, those who are the talking like what, pro, not talking like, they are pro, those who are the native speaker. So what you can do, you just observe them and try to copy the way they are talking, and please apply the same way of talking in your. Okay, it might sound crazy and a little silly when people comment you, they give compliments also. So don't bother about people. Okay, they are not going to decide what you are going to do or not. It's your life, it's your improvement, it's your growth. So that's why try to follow the native speaker the way they are talking. I'm giving you that promise that if you are going to follow them thoroughly for 15 days, just 15 days of your life, from your life, just 15 days, I'm telling you guaranteedly you are going to talk like them. Because most of the Indian, what, when they observe, when they notice foreigner, they are looking at them, oh my God, how they're talking. Yes, that we want to learn. And that word is sort of what, phonetics, accent and all these things, that is only the sound, nothing else. Some people, they omit few words, some words are sound, some words sound are not there, some alphabets are silent. That thing we need to culture. Okay, very soon I am going to make a video on this sound system in English language. So just a small suggestion or a request also I must say, those who are new to the channel, kindly subscribe it today, so that you will get more tips and tricks about English learning. Thank you so much for watching this total 4 ways of saying sorry, the other way to say sorry. I will meet you with another lesson, everyone. Thanks for your patience. I will meet you in another video. Jai Hind.